Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you have to remove your back cover from it, just like this, and here you have your cards slot. Here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, just like this. So as you can see, it requires so for it to read my SIM card I have to restart device firstly. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification that so there's actually no notification, but I can show you that there is SD card. Not here. Let's go to the settings, then to the storage section. And now you can see I have the SD card section here because I inserted that SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.